What is it?
Because I'm having some people from my church group are going to come down and visit the club. So
Let me remind me, okay? Okay.
you just run one train. That's cool. On the O stick. I can handle the HSL. This is a video of the Santa Fe, Texas 5034, which is a model of Baldwin, Texas, a 210-4. This model was made by U.S. Hobbies, KTM, in the 60s. The 5034 was the next to last of the Baldwin Texases built for the Santa Fe Railroad. It was delivered in 1944, and a very powerful superpower engine. And we were running it on the New York Society of Model Engineers layout. This engine is owned by the New York Society, and it was gifted to them, and it was modified because actually that wheelbase is a little too long to take some of our crossover switches. So there was a team of 4 guys who had to figure out what was causing the short and how to get it to ease across that crossover. And it required tearing it completely down to the frame and then milling out a very small amount on the inside to allow those 10 drivers to make that tight turn. When we did this about 5 years ago, we decided to include a Blunami system. The New York Society layout is really set up for power by a control board. It's block power, and we wanted to see if it was possible to use the Blunami to get control of this engine. And you can walk around with a iPhone or a iPad around the layout to control it, and it of course has sound. The passenger train that it's pulling is all of the Atlas cars for the California Zephyr that they put out. So it has all the dome cars and the everything's named, and it includes the as you're watching, there's one car that has a black roof that actually was a run-through car owned by the Pennsylvania Railroad. As it drives by here, you'll get a chance to see the all of the cars. I think it's about the 5th car in is the Penzi run-through car. And you could catch this car in New York City and make the connection in Chicago and take the Zephyr all the way across. There's the Penzi car with the black roof. And there's a lot of dome coaches, as you see, all the way up to the dome round tail observation car at the tail. Pretty cool train.
There's a short on Import service?
Yeah, that's what when I was there before. But try running it. I don't think there should be any problem. Okay, one was up.
Cool.
We found that we can run regular DC block power trains as well at the same time. Here's a Max Gray BB1 sneaking in. And here it is, making its way up to the upper level. Pretty far from a yard and nowhere near any electric power for its pantographs. But it's a fun layout, and I hope you enjoy the quick visit, and see you next time.
This is the fun part.
No, it wasn't a challenge.
He's got it.